Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and I've got a nice card design for you today. It's really nice and spring-like, very spring, summer themed, and I think you're going to like this one. Now, what I have here is a piece of acetate, and you should be able to see that there's a pattern on it. Now, I did that with a stencil and an airbrush and some acrylic airbrush paint. If you don't have an airbrush, you can use similar types of paints on acetate. You will need an acrylic type paint so that it adheres to acetate. But other than that, it's up to you how you apply it, whether you want to do it by brush, whether you have an airbrush or whatever you want to do with it. So I did a panel of this and I cut a front out. I've cut a selection of little delicate leaves and flowers out. These are included in the file. And then I have what is basically a one-piece card set up. So here you can see I've got my acetate panel put in, and I've put sticky tape, double-sided tape all around there. This is just part of the card. It's not in more than one piece apart from the acetate. So I've made it very slightly narrower on here and very slightly shorter here, so that when it folds down, it's a nice neat finish for the inside, but you don't have any difficulty in folding it up. So I created this in Shortcuts lot, and it's an SVG file, so no matter what you're using, you should be able to do this. Now, there are more designs in the file than I am using. I just picked some out to cut, and I cut these on my Caesar Juliet with 250 GSM card. Now, if you wanted to, you could colour them with alcohol markers, or you could cut them out of coloured card. I think it's quite nice to have a very, very sort of elegant card using the white. And so that's what I decided to do. And I'm just going to put them, or some of them at least, in here. So these are going to have to go in a little bit more. I put those like that, that like that. And I chopped off the stem of this little one here. And then we have that on the front, which I think looks rather pretty, but we haven't quite finished. I have a frame that I have designed for this, and so I need to put some tape on this as well, making sure to put it on the back of the frame and not the front. That would be a bit annoying, to say the least. Now, this going around this way, I want to make sure it is lined up properly with that edge. So we have that, and then there's a little circle, and you can put a sentiment on your circle and then put that in there, because there's a nice little offset. Whoops. And I think that looks really, really nice. You get the double effect from the design on the acetate and then the little paper pieces inside as well. So there we go, quite a nice, quick and easy card. Hope you enjoy that. File will be linked down below as usual. Take care now.